What is up, you guys? So today I wanted to share with you guys some of the items that I picked up. I did want to preface by saying that there is no bag in this haul, but other than that, let's get started. Today I will be announcing the Ana Luisa winner, and so I wanted to share with you some of the items that I did get from Ana Luisa. I know it's going to be very hard to believe, but I did get another shizzle ring, you guys. I got one for my thumb, so you all know that I do have one for my pinky. One of the reasons why I wanted to have two of these is because when you have a pinky size ring, it is so much fun to stack. And so what I mean by that, and you know, everybody does like ear stacks or arm stacks, but I actually really like to ring stack. I think that's so pretty, and I feel like it adds a little youthfulness to hand. So it's one of the things that I have always really enjoyed doing. So a pinky ring size is very versatile if you have ever considered ring stacking, and again, it's very comfortable. So I'm really thrilled to have two of them in my collection now. And again, for ring stacking, I love chain rings, you guys. Really thrilled about that. The next item that I got from Ana Luisa is this beautiful snake chain, and I believe this one is called, gosh, I don't remember what it's called, but I will go ahead and post it over here. But it is so pretty, and I just thought it would be so pretty also for stacking. I will say this one ended up being shorter than I expected. It's a 16-inch, but I did figure out a way on how to get it longer, and I just attach it to this necklace over here in order to create length. So and then I'm able to wear it. I will try to insert maybe a photo so you guys can see what it looks like on, or if not, I'll go ahead and post it on my Instagram stories, or just I'll do an IG post on it. But it is really lovely, you guys. And I know these are like really popular right now. I've never had one of these snake chains, so I was really curious to see how it would work out. And like I said, I did manage to get it to fit, and it is just so pretty. The final item that I got are these medium double hoops. These are so pretty, you guys. I love these because they kind of look like you have two ear holes, and like I said, I'm a bit chicken on doing it. I'm back and forth on it, but I really wanted to play with these to kind of see how that would work for me. I wish they were bigger, but I really love them nonetheless. And even like I've let my daughter borrow them. They're so pretty, so I'm obsessed with these. The last item is for my giveaway, you guys, and so the winner will be receiving this aura bracelet. It is so beautiful. It has a really vintage vibe. I'm completely obsessed with it. It does also come with additional links, so it does fit a variety of wrist sizes. I don't want to try it on or manipulate it too much because I want you to get it just as it arrived to me. So yes, this is the winning item, you guys. So I will be inserting the name of the Ana Luisa winner over here. Major congratulations. I am so excited. I will be reaching out in order to get your address. I am so excited to be able to do a giveaway for you guys, because I know you guys see us, you know, get a lot of Ana Luisa. It's nice to be able to give you guys some as well. So thank you so much for all of you who entered. I really appreciate it. Congratulations to the winner. Also, Ana Luisa is having a huge sale, you guys. Definitely check out Ana Luisa. There is a discount code in the description box down below for you guys. They have so many beautiful holiday sets available right now. I highly encourage you guys to check out their website. They have just beautiful pieces that, again, I have not taken this off of my neck. I have showered it and everything, you guys, and I am obsessed with this necklace so much. So definitely check out Ana Luisa. All of their information will be in the description box down below. Let's get to the haul, you guys. Let's start off with a little Chanel. I know this, I've already unboxed this. There is just a YouTube short. I did pick up these really, really beautiful earrings from Chanel. I am completely obsessed with these. I went into Chanel on launch day. I actually made it on launch day, you guys, and I was able to get my hands on them. I am completely obsessed with these. So I did have to let go of another pair of Chanel earrings in order to fund these. With Chanel, I really love to get like fun pieces like these, wear them, enjoy them, and then kind of move on from them because they are costume jewelry. They don't wear as good as you would think. And so I just like to, I never really know how long I'm going to keep a Chanel earring. I do have other items, other Chanel earrings that I have thought that they would stay in my collection for a longer period of time. I'm hoping these are some of them. I really, really love these. I love that you can wear them with this forward, like in the front, or you can put it in the back, and it kind of changes the direction of the earring. So it either makes them more obvious or less obvious, but they're very architecturally beautiful because this is really how they look on most people's ear. And so you would have to turn a little bit in order to start to see the full CC effect. So I just thought that they were really, really beautiful, and I couldn't not get them. I do try to give you guys updated information when things launch because I know things like this sell out. So I have started to add them to my community page when I know something is going to be really, really popular, because you start to see it like pop up everywhere. And you guys, if you don't see it, then you will not get your hands on it. This was like super popular, and I knew that it would be. Some of you I messaged directly because we're friends. And so I have put it on my community page because I wanted you guys to get it if you guys wanted it, but I did get it. I've actually had this now for about a month. I was never sure if I was going to do an unboxing, but I thought, you know what, let me just throw it in here because it is very, very beautiful. I did get a request to kind of pack this. I'm still really thinking about it. I have figured out some stuff with regards to packing this piece, so stay tuned for that. I will bring you guys how to pack this piece hopefully soon. But yeah, I did get mine. Let me know down below if you got yours. I did also get this pouch that came with it, and yeah, I ended up selecting this Dior for Men item for my husband's stocking. I thought that that would be good. And this micro caviar de rose sample, and then this little bag. I don't end up using these much, so I don't know. If one of you wants it, let me know. I'm happy to send it to you guys because I don't tend to use these frequently. If you saw my holiday gift guide, which I definitely recommend that you watch, I talked about this piece over here. I had actually already bought it because I have FOMO, you guys. And I think, like, if I talk about what if it sells out? So I was able to get my hands on the Prada pin. And again, I love that I can put this on any denim jacket that I please, also on a bucket hat. It is very weighty, but it is very, very beautiful. And I had purchased this months and months ago from Amazon, and I just thought that would look pretty cool. Although it looks a little bit big, maybe. I think it still looks good. I just thought that that would be such a fun idea too. So, you know, I loved this one. The price point on this one, I feel that the quality is very similar, to be honest. This was like $30 from Amazon, and it did come with a strap. It looks like the Alexander Wang bag, but I feel that Prada has kind of owned the crystal game right now. This also comes with a snake chain. It's really, really cute for an evening. And if you just want to get like the crystal look out of your system, which sometimes I want to. I love crystals, you guys. I always have anything sparkly. For me, the Prada bag was not really my style. And so if they come out with one that is, then, you know, maybe I would buy it, but I don't like the strap on it. So I thought I would just do this. And I considered actually buying the Alexander Wang, but I'm not buying that. So yeah, and I thought that this would be fun. And then I can go ahead and, you know, either use the strap that it comes with, or even get like one of the, show you over here, like those nylon straps, that will kind of look a little bit like the re-edition one. I'm thinking out loud now, but yeah, I'm really thinking that that's probably what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna get like the Amazon version of the re-edition strap just to play along with this, and I think that that'll be super cool. The list is, if you follow me on stories, then you might suspect that I did go ahead and purchase the Burberry cardigan. This was from my wish list and I am completely obsessed with it. I absolutely love it. It is completely different than my Balenciaga cardigan in the way that it fits. This is a little bit more structure, although the more that I wear it, the more relaxed that it gets, but it's definitely a more serious looking cardigan, which is kind of what I like about it, that I don't have a very serious wardrobe, and so there's like a play in, you know, like joggers in this. I really love it. So really works for me. I'm obsessed with this, and I feel like this is going to last in my wardrobe forever. From my wish list, I talked about these and I was so excited to get them. I feel like my wish list this year was kind of like, I started to feel like pressure. So I started purchasing items like rather quickly. And I did get the gold shoes from Gucci. I have to say, you guys, I have owned gold shoes before and I find them very easy to wear. I feel that the gold shade on these is a little bit more yellow than I was expecting. So I haven't worn them yet, but yeah, I think that what I wanted was a pair of gold shoes that was on the lighter gold. I think that those are far easier to style, but I'm still going to figure out a way to wear these because I think they're so cool. They are so cool, you guys. So yeah, I love them, but the yellow is a little jarring. Let me know what you think. I love them. Just think they're so funky, especially if you wear like all black, and these amazing all denim, and these I think would also be really cool. So I'm not intimidated by it, but it was a little unexpected when I realized, no, I wanted like a lighter yellow gold than these, but nonetheless, I'm thrilled that I have them. Lastly, I did pick up this beautiful Louis Vuitton book. I did also put this up on my community page because Amazon had this at an insane price point. These used to be less expensive, and then they shot up in price, and so I just refused to buy them even though I've been wanting them forever. And so when it went down to a price that I was willing to pay, which was about, I want to say it was $29 or $32 around there, because it had a coupon. If it's still available with the coupon, I'll go ahead and link it for you guys if you've been wanting one as well. This is such a good one, you guys. Like, I know I've recommended it as a holiday gift in the past. I am just thrilled to have it, you guys. It is just something that I have wanted for a really long time, and I want to start getting my hands on all of them. I don't have the Chanel Catwalk book, and there's several other ones that I really do like. I just, you know, if you love this, if we love this stuff, then let's go all in, right? So definitely one of those purchases. I still can't believe what a great price I got this at. So thrilled with this. So that is it for my haul, you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to check out Ana Luisa in the description box down below. I really appreciate your time, and I will chat with you guys later. Bye.